Hello, today I'm going to show you how to add your Apple Watch to Find My. First of all, this action is going to work on every Apple Watch on the market, so it doesn't matter which Apple Watch you have, it is going to work. Today in front of me is Apple Watch SE first generation, the 40mm size. And once you have completed the whole setup and once you have connected your Apple Watch to your iPhone, it has already signed up for your Find My list. So the Apple Watch was already added to your devices that you have connected to your account. So if you want to find your Apple Watch, you just need to go to the Watch app and go to all watches, because you can have a lot of Apple Watches connected to the Watch app. So go to all watches and click the eye icon on your specific watch. As you can see, I have only this watch connected to my account and to this iPhone. You just click the eye icon, and as you can see right here, you have the option Find My Apple Watch. Once you click on this, the app is going to get you to the Find My app and show the exact location of your Apple Watch. So here you have many options like play sounds, show directions to this watch, notification, mark as lost, or erase this device. And this is basically it. So, thanks for watching. I hope it helped. If it did, please hit a like and hit a subscribe. Bye!